Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your GPU and Gameloop are ready. Update GPU drivers to the latest WHQL build and reboot. This fixes compatibility and performance. Once done, install or update Gameloop and enable virtualization in BIOS if your CPU supports it, because that reduces emulation overhead. Make sure your Windows power plan is set to high performance and close background GPU-heavy apps. Now open Gameloop and head straight to Engine Settings to continue with configuration. You're in the Engine Settings, and this is where choices matter. Switch render modes, test OpenGL+ and DirectX to see which yields higher FPS for your title, because different games favor different APIs. Allocate at least 2 CPU cores and 2 GB of RAM. Increase if you have spare resources. In Renderer, select your dedicated GPU as the hardware renderer so the emulator uses discrete graphics instead of integrated. Once configured, save and restart Gameloop to apply changes. You finish by tuning in-game settings and validating stability. Start with medium presets and lower textures or shadows to raise FPS, because visual settings often cost the most performance. If you see stutter, try capping frame rate or toggling VSync. Alternatively, adjust Gameloop's render cache and frame pacing options. Monitor GPU load with a tool while running the game to confirm the emulator uses the dedicated GPU. If crashes began after a driver update, roll back the driver. That single step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.